Connie Saign-Piche. I live in West St. Paul, Minnesota. Thank you for your time, Madam Chair, Mr. Chair. I'm speaking in support of HF 2699, which will increase the presumptive starting place for shared parenting time to 40% for fit parents. I'm speaking as a single mom and a grandmom in support of shared parenting. As a single parent, I know firsthand the difficulties and pain children go through when they do not have access to both parents. I had sole custody of my children because their father had substance abuse issues. He had supervised visitation. Current law has, and even with this bill, still does make exceptions when there is substance abuse because the presumption is rebuttable and the best interest factors will still be used. In spite of the odds, and thankfully my sons have grown up to be well-adjusted, college-educated, and productive young adults, ages 24 and 26. I do believe, however, that having access to extended family support on both sides has had a huge impact in their success. This is not always the case with our current laws, but the current imbalance that assumes dads get way less parenting time than mom. It is typically impossible for the paternal side of the family to provide care and be a support system to the child when their dad has such restricted access, like every other weekend. While I gave my children access to extended family on their father's side, nothing in law required me to do that, and most divorced and never married moms don't keep their children connected with their ex-in-laws like I did for my sons. Speaking as a grandparent, today my oldest son is a single parent of a 5-year-old daughter. He and his daughter's mother have thus far stayed out of the courts. My fear and my son's fear is that in the future, should they go to court, he will lose time with his daughter due to the current laws. That would seriously have a grave impact on her young life, as he is a very caring and involved parent. I cannot imagine why anyone would think a child does not need the support of both parents equally or choose to prevent their children from having equal access to both parents, barring any issues of domestic violence, mental health issues, substance abuse, etc., which is a clear exception in the law and will stay that way. Having witnessed my son's pain of not having access to their father is not something I would wish on any child or any dad. It is hard for me to understand why fit, caring, involved fathers who want nothing more than to be the best father they can be and have done nothing to jeopardize their child's well-being continue to be treated in court and by current law as dispensable. The children are the ones who suffer when they have minimal contact with their father. Please pass HF 2699. Thank you.